Now to start Paint, you go Start, Programs, Accessories, and then Paint. Now, I'll just quickly go through each tool here. That is a freeform selection tool and a rectangular selection tool. We have to draw something first before we can select it. So that's the eraser when you want to rub out color or lines. This fills objects with color. This, if you've used a color that you've selected and you want to reuse it, or maybe there's a color in an image you want to use, you can pick color and use that particular color. The magnifier zooms in and out. The pencil allows you to write. The brush allows you to work with the brush and airbrush. And as you click on all of these, sorry, I should have shown you that there is different sizes. So if you click on the selection tool, there's two choices down here. One meaning that it will take the background with it. See, that one there takes the background with it. That will just cut it out without the background. The eraser, different sizes. The fill, you change down here just by clicking on colors, and you can see the color changing. Okay. The pick tool, the magnifier, shows you how many times you're going to magnify by. Okay, and then if you want to go back to the original size. The pencil, the brush, again different sizes and styles of brush. Airbrush, different styles of airbrush. You've got text. Again, you have two choices. You can either have the background showing through the text or it's solid. You have different lengths of line, different lengths of squiggle. You've got the rectangle with just the line, a line and fill, or just fill. That is a polygon. You decide how many sides it has. That's an ellipse or a circle. Actually, a rectangle can also give a square. And a rounded rectangle. So they're all the different tools. So I'm just going to start by picking black. The other thing down here as well is to change the foreground color, which you can see changing over here. You just click. But to change the background color, if you want a green on yellow, you right click and you see the background color is there now. The thing to note as well is that if you use the eraser having changed the background color, it's going to use the new background color because all it is doing is filling in whatever the background color is. To erase, Control A, select, you can see the dotted line, and then delete. If I want my white back, right click to get the white background, Control A to select the whole thing, and then delete. Because when you delete the contents of a paint page, you're replacing it with the background color, really. So just going back to black and white here. So now, there's a rectangle. If I hold down the Shift key while drawing, I get a square. Okay? Now, if I want a blue rectangle, I select blue, get the fill, and just click. If I want a yellow square, just click the yellow, and there you go. Now, the background is still white, so if I go Control A, delete, I have a clear screen again. Okay? That's the introduction for now. The next step we're going to do is we're going to use the rectangle tool and the line tool to draw a 3D shape. So that's how to draw a cuboid. So that's it for now.